In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Panasonic TV without the remote control, and it doesn't matter the type or model of Panasonic TV you have. This trick is a very simple one, and if you misplace your Panasonic TV remote control or your remote control is not just working, this is actually how to turn on the TV without your physical remote control. Basically, what you want to do is to go ahead and look for the power or menu button at the bottom of your Panasonic TV. This power or menu button is usually at the bottom just below the Panasonic logo on your Panasonic TV, or in some models of Panasonic TV you might actually find it at the back of the right hand side or at the back of the left hand side of your Panasonic TV. In my case, there are actually a couple of buttons at the back of the right hand side, and you can literally find the power button over here. Once you go ahead and tap on the button, automatically your Panasonic TV will be turned on. With that same button, you can actually do a couple of things. For instance, you can actually change the volume of your Panasonic TV and even change the input source on your Panasonic TV as well without the physical remote control. And that is basically how to turn on or power on your Panasonic TV without the physical remote control, and even perform other functions on the TV using the power button on your Panasonic TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.